Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon, doctor. I've been experiencing this persistent headache for the past few weeks, and it's really starting to worry me.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me more about your headache? When did it start, and have you noticed any specific triggers?
It began about 3 weeks ago. I can't really pinpoint any triggers, but it's a constant dull pain in my temples. Sometimes it gets worse, especially when I'm stressed.
Stress can certainly contribute to headaches. Are there any other symptoms accompanying your headaches? Nausea, dizziness, or changes in your vision, perhaps?
Yes, I've been feeling a bit nauseous, and sometimes my vision gets a bit blurry. It's like there's this pressure in my head.
Thank you for sharing that. Have you tried any over-the-counter pain relievers for your headaches? And has it provided any relief?
I have, but they only seem to work temporarily. The pain always comes back after a while.
I see. It's essential that we get to the bottom of this. Have you noticed any recent changes in your lifestyle, like diet or sleep patterns?
I haven't changed my diet, but my sleep has been pretty erratic lately. I'm having trouble falling asleep and staying asleep through the night.
Poor sleep can definitely contribute to headaches. It might be a vicious cycle. Your headaches could be causing your sleep troubles. And the lack of sleep could be worsening your headaches. Do you have any significant medical history or family history of headaches or migraines?
Not that I'm aware of, and I've never had migraines before. This is a new experience for me.
All right, let's consider a few more possibilities. Have you been under a lot of work pressure or emotional stress lately?
Yes, the workload at the office has been crazy, and I've had some personal issues as well. The stress has been pretty intense.
Stress can undoubtedly exacerbate headaches. It's also possible that it's a tension headache, given the constant pressure you're feeling. I recommend a few tests, including a neurological examination, to make sure there's nothing more serious going on.
That sounds like a good plan. I just want to get to the bottom of this and get rid of these headaches.
I understand, Mr. Johnson. We'll work together to find a solution. In the meantime, I suggest trying some relaxation techniques to manage stress, and we can discuss treatment options once we have a clearer diagnosis. It's essential to prioritize your well-being.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your help and understanding. I'm ready to do whatever it takes to get rid of these headaches.
You're welcome, Mr. Johnson. We'll take it one step at a time. I'm here to support you through this, and together, we'll find the best approach to relieve your headaches and improve your quality of life.